Friends, welcome to Jija Academy. In today's limit session, we are starting trigonometric limit. We are seeing two parts in the trigonometric limit. First one is when variable tends to 0. Trigonometric limit when the variable tends to 0. And second part is when variable tends to non-zero. Now today we are seeing trigonometric limit when variables tends to 0. Now we are seeing some formulas. The first formula is a limit theta tends to 0 sin theta is equal to 0. Second is a limit theta tends to 0 cos theta is equal to 1. Third formula is a limit theta tends to 0 sin theta divided by theta is equal to 1. And fourth formula is a limit theta tends to 0 tan theta upon theta is equal to 1. Now fifth formula is a limit theta tends to 0 sin theta minus a divided by theta minus a is equal to 1. And similarly, limit theta tends to 0 tan theta minus a divided by theta minus a is equal to 1. Using these 6 formulas, we are solving some problems. Now, first one is a limit x tends to 0 sin 2x upon x. So here we are using limit x tends to 0. Here is a 2x and we know the formula limit x tends to 0, that is theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. So here is a 2x, so we require sin 2x divided by 2x, but here is a x, so we are multiplying by 2. So we get here 2 limit x tends to 0 and this whole is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So answer is the limit x tends to 0 sin 2x upon x is equal to 2. The problem is limit x tends to 0 sin 7x upon 2x. So here limit x tends to 0, we require sin 7x divided by 7x. So here is a 7 into 2. So here 7 by 2 limit x tends to 0 sin 7x upon 7x. And we know that limit theta tends to 0 sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. So answer is a 7 by 2. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a limit x tends to 0 sin mx upon sin nx. So here we can write that limit x tends to 0 sin mx upon mx, that is mx, divided by sin nx divided by nx into nx. So limit x tends to 0 mx upon nx into sin mx upon mx divided by sin nx upon nx. So here m upon n. Now limit x tends to 0 sin mx divided by mx divided by limit x tends to 0 sin nx upon nx. And we know that the limit theta tends to 0 sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 1. So we get here m upon n is into 1 upon 1. So answer is equal to m upon n. So we get here answer limit x tends to 0 sin mx upon sin nx is equal to m upon n. This is the answer. Now moving to the next problem. Next problem is a limit x tends to 0 sin limit x tends to 0 sin square ax upon sin square bx. So we are writing this limit x tends to 0 sin ax upon ax into ax into sin ax upon ax into ax divided by sin bx upon bx into bx into sin bx upon bx into bx. So here we will multiplying ax into x, that is a square x square, and down b square x square. So we get here a square b square limit sin ax upon ax into limit x tends to 0 sin ax upon sin upon x divided by limit x tends to 0 sin bx upon bx into limit x tends to 0 sin bx upon bx. So now all these terms are 1. So we get a square upon b square into 1 divided by 1 into 1. So answer is a square into divided by b square. Now next problem is a limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos 2x divided by x square. So here we know the formula of trigonometry, that is a 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. This is the formula. So we are putting here, so we get limit x tends to 0 2 sin square x divided by x square. So we get here 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x sin square x upon x square. So 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x into limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 2. So we get here limit 1 minus cos 2x upon x square is equal to 2. So answer is a 2. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a 1 minus cos 2x divided by x. So here again similar limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x divided by x. So here we are taking 2 limit x tends to 0 sin square x divided by x. So 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x into limit x tends to 0 sin x. Now we know that the formula limit theta tends to 0 sin theta upon theta is equal to 1 and limit theta tends to 0 sin theta is equal to 0. So we are putting this value 2 into 1 into 0. So answer is a 0. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by x is equal to 0. So answer is a 0. Now moving to the next problem. Next problem is a limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax divided by 1 minus cos bx. So here we are writing this problem limit x tends to 0. We are again using same formula 1 minus cos ax is equal to 2 sin ax upon 2 sin square and 1 minus cos bx is equal to 2 sin square bx upon 2. So we are putting here, so we get here 2 into sin square ax upon 2 divided by 2 into sin square bx upon 2. So now here 2 to cancel. So here limit x tends to 0 sin square ax upon 2 divided by ax upon 2 into ax upon 2 whole square. Sin and divided by sin bx upon 2 divided by bx upon 2 into bx upon 2 whole square. Now we get here limit x tends to 0 sin ax upon 2 upon ax upon 2 whole square divided by limit x tends to 0 sin bx upon 2 whole square. Here a square x square divided by 4 divided by b square x square upon 4. So here is the answer 1 upon 1 into a square upon b square. So we get here answer a square upon b square. So answer is a limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax upon 1 minus cos bx is equal to a square upon b square. This is the answer. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the Jija Academy channel. Thank you.